Hey everybody, Sally and Maddie here, your East West Health Coaches. Today we want to introduce you to something that can really help you manage your emotions better. It's something that clinical psychologist Todd Kashdan has done a lot of research on, and he calls it emotional differentiation, which is a really fancy term for just labeling your emotions.
When we're able to label our emotions and precisely label our emotions, we're better able to understand what we're feeling, and we're much more likely to respond skillfully versus reacting impulsively.
Yeah, so our emotions can actually provide us with a lot of information. So when we have an unpleasant emotion that we're feeling, rather than trying to get rid of that or trying to distract ourselves, we can use this tool as really a way to process those emotions and respond in a constructive way.
Todd Kashdan refers to a study that found people with higher emotional differentiation are less likely to drink excessively after a stressful event, consuming 40% less alcohol. The study also found that individuals who are better able to label their emotions are 20 to 50% less likely to react aggressively, whether that's physically or verbally, to someone who maybe harmed them. This weekend, I really want to challenge you to label your emotions as precisely as you can.
Yeah, so let us know how that goes for you as you go through this weekend and really start implementing this emotional labeling or emotional differentiation.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.